Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at Dialora, an AI-powered voice agent that can literally take calls, qualify leads, book meetings, and even run outbound call campaigns without you lifting a finger. So if you run a business where missed calls equals missed revenue, stick around. This tool might be a game changer for you. Here's what makes Dialora stand out. 24/7 AI voice agent. It answers inbound calls instantly, no matter the time of day. Smart appointment booking. It connects to your calendar and books meetings in real time. Outbound campaigns. Want to reach out to leads or clients? You can actually launch outbound call campaigns straight from the dashboard. CRM integrations. The AI can push call data directly into your CRM, so records are always up to date. Full call history. Every call is recorded and transcribed. You can even analyze customer sentiment to see how calls are going. Customizable AI agents. Train the AI with your own knowledge base so it speaks in your brand's voice. And if you're running an agency, higher tiers unlock white labeling sub-accounts and an agency toolkit so you can manage clients under your own brand. Basically, this isn't just an answering service, it's like having a trained sales rep on the phones 24/7. Now here's where the AppSumo deal shines. Normally, tools like this charge hundreds per month, especially if you're using multiple agents or running outbound campaigns. But with AppSumo's lifetime deal, you pay once and keep it forever. The entry tier starts at just $59 for one AI agent, and the higher tiers unlock more agents, more call credits, and the full agency toolkit. For many businesses, just one extra client booked through Dialora could easily cover the entire cost. And with this lifetime deal, you pay once and own it forever. No ongoing subscription. So if you want to stop losing sales to voicemail, I'll drop the AppSumo link below so you can check out the deal for yourself. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SaaS and lifetime deal reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.